Hello once again, audience. When we left off, I forgot to set my timer, and I did not look at my thing, so you ended up with a 14-minute video. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just so horrible. What time is it? 2:15? Okay. I'm sorry. I might actually have to make this one short, that way I stay on track with, like, recording videos. Oh my gosh, this is a great day so far. Okay, Ice Storm, Red Birth, no. Short Circuit, what do I want? Give me that. Yes. Use all physical damage. Handyman. Is this one? Oh, right. Ah, that's the awesome one. Easy Hack. Okay. Hacker's Delight 2, Proud Parent. Medical Expert. Okay. Okay, hold on. Was that Gene Tonic? Right? Yeah, here we go. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah. Just purchase a whole bunch of them. Drill Power. Link. Actors to Life. Flash. Drill Specialist. Drill Power. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Is there another armored shell? So that'd be awesome. Cure-all. Oh, never mind. I thought something really cool. Again, has fewer stages. That's pretty cool. Short No Homes 2. I have no idea what I'm doing. True Lurker, Careful Hacker. What is this one? Slightly slower. That's pretty cool. Security Command. No. Next one. Let's do it. Okay, let's purchase Plasmid Slot. As high as Insect Swarm. Here we go. New and improved. Oh, dang it! I should probably freaking. Okay, I'm gonna die. I can't believe I forgot to set my timer. I told you, I'm horrible with that. Why am I all the way back here? Okay, give me that, give me that, give me that. Okay. Down. Oh, dude, I have like a honeycomb on my hand. That's awesome. It was one of my favorite cereals as a kid. It still is, actually. I love honeycombs. They're delicious. Sponsor. Honeycombs. It's nice and sweet. Yeah, I'm going to sneak up on this girl. I'm going to shoot her in the back of the face. Or in the front. Aw, oh, dang it. One shot. I missed. She got me. Oh, yay. I'm still crouching. Okay, where the boop am I? Oh, well, great. All the way back here. Great. Just great. Yeah, that's right, girl. Set that other guy on fire, too. Potato chips. Oh, hey. Oh, your mama. Oh, your mama. Yeah. Alright. No. Give me that, give me that. Alright. Dude, I have like bees coming in and out of my hand. It's kind of messed up. Okay, where am I going? What am I doing? Okay. I'm hacking this. Blip. Green. Green. Perfect. Heal. Alright. That. Cannot believe I went over on that video. I think about pausing it at 5. Which means I would have to go. Do you want to make it 10? Yeah, let's make it a 10. I already set my timer for 10. Let's do it. Oh, can I melt this? Please tell me I can. Okay. Oh, I can't, I think. Let's find out. Booyah! Oh, yeah. Open that. Heck yeah, open that. Imago got it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. What do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? Now, what do we got? Okay. Ow, god dang. Green, green, green. Yeah. That's right. Man, there are a lot of security cameras here. Booyah! Green, green, green. Yeah! Give me that, give me that. No? Oh, freaking auto hack dart. Give me that. Green, green, green. Ooh, master hacker. Got an achievement. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Shh, shh, shh. What do we got here? That. Yeah. Green. 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 Alright. Keep forgetting I freaking have this stupid turret thingy. Death and defecation. Deathly defecation. That's gross. Okay, give me that. 6 minutes. Ow, god damn. Booyah! Oh, I'm out. That was stupid. But god dang it, reload. Booyah! Finally. Whoa! That's right, you friendly now. Chair, turret. Oh, you're not. Why did I waste that? Gosh dang it, I suck at this game. Just plain and simple. Booyah! Oh, I'm out of ammo. Press right to bump it for next ammo type. Qualification for type of ammo. Vacations. Are you certified to be shooting fireballs out to your hand? Oh, hi kitty. Schrodinger. Huh, that's funny. Oh, hi kitty. Oh, look at you. Look at you, so cute. Can I set you on fire? Oh. Schrodinger's cat is on fire and dead. And oh, that's messed up. That is messed up. Corpse gave me that. Give me your beans. Cool beans. Give me that. Ooh. Use that right there. Yeah. You should make a freaking Eve hypo that heals you. Because I would be. Oh my god! Oh, I just pooped my pants. You're messed up, dude. Aw. I was hoping that would work. I was trying to reanimate him. Oh, man, that scared me. Oh, I jumped. I'm not gonna lie. I jumped in my seat. I was like, gah! Okay. Safe. Hardy machines. A hack turret or bot can be your greatest friend. Make that friendship last longer with Hardy Machine Donic from Ryan Industries. Oh, great. Perfect. Give me that. Mini turret. Proximity mine. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. Green, green. God, no, green. Green, 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 green. Yeah! Woo! No, hack. Hack, hack, hack. No, no, no. Come back. Go. Please come back. Please come back. Great. Yeah. Oh, god freaking dang it. What's your name? Garth. Stupid name, Garth. Oh, god dang it. Oh, great. Oh, great. Green. Oh, you can only have freaking 3? That's stupid. Or 2? It's dumb. I want like 5 of them. What the boop is going on? Oh, your mama. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. On fire. Not like the method that she's on fire, but I'm on fire. Whoa, there's a whole bunch of murder going on over here. Don't you freaking kill my security bot friend. PJ. Funny name. Like pajama. Can't see anything. Spider splicer. Okay, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Let it fly. potted meat. Yeah. Potted meat. Or you'll meet your defeat. It's kind of a 3-rhyme thing. I didn't even mean it. I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment on this video. Oh. I just realized I forgot that I murdered that one. It's like that one on the left is kind of blue. Because I murdered it. I'm a bad person. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment on this video, watch the next video, like this video, and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitter at waitaminute@twitter.com. Bless your face if you sneeze during this video. Bless you. And wipe your nose. Peace off.